I am Katyani from grade 2. I am telling about Namalu. A for Ayodhya Rama, B for Bhargava Rama, C for Chinmaya Rama, D for Dasharatha Rama, E for Ishvara Rama, F for Falguna Rama, G for Govinda Rama, H for Hanumanta Rama, I for Inaya Rama, J for Janaki Rama, K for Kaushalya Rama, L for Lakshmana Rama, M for Mohana Rama, N for Narahati Rama, O for Ronkaram Rama, P for Purushottama Rama, Q for Kushalava Rama, R for Raghukula Rama, S for Sita Rama, T for Taraka Rama, U for Uddata Rama, V for Vasishta Rama, W for Vaikuntha Rama, X for Jitendra Rama, Y for Yogita Rama, Z for Janahita Rama.